Good morning all. Thank you for joining today for our virtual launch of the new RHINO TXDP trailer. This is an exclusive press launch today ahead of the official live launch tomorrow to our customers and prospects. And this is to give you access to the details ahead of time. This product launch today is a culmination of a huge amount of investment, both in time, money, R&D, testing, over a period of nearly 2 years now. So you might be wondering who we are. So with me to my right, I've got Glenn Pooley. Now Glenn's been with the company for 10 years now. He had his anniversary in August. Myself, I'm Ross. I'm the sales director for the company. You might be wondering, who is Towmate? What is Towmate Built Rugged? Towmate is a brand of ATE. ATE itself was started from a garden shed in my father's back garden. We'll now be the market leader in the industry for supply of parts for trailers and towed equipment and other ancillary items to the plant. Now this is the next major move forward for us, moving into manufacturing.
So you might be saying to yourselves, why Towmate? And Towmate really brings forth a wealth of knowledge and understanding as a brand of ATE with the 25 years of experience we have behind us. So that really comes into these 4 points: increased return on investment, greater fleet utilisation, whole life costing, and greater flexibility and durability, all points which our customers are very, very focused on in their fleets. And we believe we've fully answered these expectations in this development process. These 5 key points really capture the features of the Towmate TXDP plant trailer: safety by design, security and peace of mind, flexibility, ease of maintenance, and raising the standard.
So initially we have safety by design. So for example, on the screen here, we have the number of deaths as a result of construction workers unloading and loading equipment onto vehicles or trailers. And you can see the huge percentage, over 70% here, happen as a result of a piece of equipment being loaded and overturning while it's in that process. And there's 2 key points here which we've picked up on, and that's items falling out of vehicles during loading or unloading, and poorly secured loads. It's designed to work without the use of traditional ratchet straps, so you may have seen it when you were out and about, either on the back of low loader lorries or on trailers. And then the second point is the fact it's got a double angle ramp for safe loading and unloading. And then the third point is the safe access points into the trailer. So here we have a video to show those points. So what we've done here is incorporated a pivot axle system. So as you can see on the curb there, it's got one wheel on the curb, but also the rear wheel is still maintained contact with the road. It means the operator, when he's towing, can keep all wheels on the ground at any one point in time. So there's oft times when the operator will be driving up a curb to park up, he'll be going over a sleeping policeman, as we all do. And what happens traditionally is, with the load on, all weight transfers to one wheel or one axle and completely overloads that and causes extreme wear and tear, meaning that the parts wear down very, very fast and need to be replaced quickly. Okay, good. So there you saw the pivotal axle system in action. Now the second point here is a combined bucket rest and breaker store. Now this is another unique feature to us which has been designed, and what it does is it enables the breaker to be stored horizontally across the front of the trailer, leaving additional space on the official bed of the trailer for things such as additional buckets and any other loads that you're carrying on it, including the digger. It's also got a special safety bar around the edge. It means it can only be unloaded or hitched up from a curbside. Lastly, just wanted to talk about the digger arm lock. And what that does is it secures the digger arm whilst in transit from swinging from side to side.
Security and peace of mind. As you're all only probably too aware in the industry stats and figures and feedback from the industry relating to theft of plant and equipment and also attachments. This year alone, that's increased by over 50%, a massive increase. Average of 12 items of equipment stolen across the UK every day, and that is totaling to around 50 million. So massive figures we're talking there, and constantly on the mind of our customers, and something that you probably report on a day-to-day basis. So a couple of items here I'd like to run over just briefly, and then we'll have a video on them. This is a product that is unique to Towmate. If a customer is requiring extra space on the trailer, the bucket locker is completely demountable. That includes the buckets as well, so you can completely remove the whole cage, allowing safe storage and security on site and off on the trailer. Then you have the secure bucket locker and breaker store. This again is unique to ATE. The peckers cost in the region of about £5,000 to £8,000 a piece, and is often an item that is very much overlooked within the industry, often placed between the tracks, so just left to freely float around the trailer. Going around the bends, it slides and bashes around, and extremely expensive piece of kit. So we just raised the attention level to this in providing a safe stowage and security of this pecker. The cage over the top enables it to be safe and secure on site. Again, a peace of mind. As you can see from the video, if you're requiring space and different attachments, then it's simple and easy to remove, and simple and easy to secure and lock.
Flexibility. As I came up as a child, we'd often play with Meccano sets, build various models, add bits, take bits off, design it how I wanted. Now, when we designed this whole trailer, with the managing director here, Steve, it took us back to those days. So this trailer is being built as a modular design. It's customizable and configurable. And not only that, you can add accessories later. So if a customer's bought certain features, they might spec it up to a certain requirement at a particular point in time. And then they get further need. So they get a contract, they can add or remove options, customize it, configure it however they want at the time. That also means that from a maintenance board, which Glenn is about to cover off, makes it very, very simple to maintain.
So ease of maintenance. Again, 3 points that really cover this. Common parts. One thing that was really, really essential to us in this development process was ease of maintenance for our clients. We speak to our clients on a daily basis and fully understand their pain points and requirements for common parts and parts that are easily replaceable on a next day delivery service. Components such as the LED lights and 5-star configuration, heavy duty seal for life bearing, are all used across the whole range, ensuring consistency and efficiency when ordering parts. This allows the operators to have less stock on the shelves and available across the whole range of trailers. And minimal downtime is very, very key there. because time is money for our clients, and we understand that. Next day on parts, we are experts at this, and we have a wealth of knowledge in our team as backup. That's something that other manufacturers don't have, and we excel in that. All parts, orders placed up to 4:30, next day delivery service. You can't really get better than that, with a 98% on time, in full delivery.
With this trailer, we've made it so it's built tougher than the job it's designed to do. Number one is that it comes as standard with a 3-year warranty. We're here to back this product up. We believe in it, we know it works, we've tried it, we've tested it, and that's why it's got a 3-year warranty. Then secondly, we've got LED dual voltage lighting as standard. Now typically the standard industry would be bulb as standard, and then you can add LED lights as an option. And because that's dual voltage, it means they can hook up to any vehicle at any time and not have to worry, it's always going to work. There's no need to worry about faffing around with replacing bulbs as they break. We've incorporated 8 lashing points as standard, and these are all rated at 2.5 tonne each. As Glenn's mentioned, we've got features such as a heavy-duty Seal-for-Life bearing, because there's only one bearing used across the entire range. So from a replacement point of view, once the customer knows the bearing, that's all they need to stock, and that's all they need to order from a reordering point of view. Now, 5-stud wheels, that's basically becoming the industry standard, and that's certainly what's specified at key top-level utility contractors. We have our wheel century double pointer to back it up so that the operator can have also a wheel security system fitted to that wheel. It's a hot dip galvanized chassis, expanding the lifetime and durability of the chassis. It comes with an extended drawbar so that the digger boom never comes into contact with the rear of the vehicle when you're driving. Also comes with a gas-assisted ramp. Now this is absolutely critical from a health and safety point of view, because the gas-assisted ramp actually takes all that weight, and it helps you to lift it up, but also helps you to lower it down. You can either have a 50mm locking head or eye as standard. It's a no-cost option, so you can choose either or. Typically there would be an optional extra. And then we have a choice of different ramps, so full width or individual, and they're in either 1400 or 1700 lengths, depending on the requirement of the operator.
Excellent. So to recap, hopefully we explained why Towmate. This trailer has and will increase return on investment, greater fleet utilisation, whole life costing, and greater flexibility and durability.
One of the questions we've just had come in, how do you prevent the trailer from being stolen or towed away?
So there's a number of security features that we sell as part of the day-to-day parts, for locking the heads and locking the eyes on the front. But we've also spread that thought right across the trailer. So protecting what's on the trailer and the trailer, attachments, and the whole journey through the process. So complete peace of mind there.
How is a heavy-duty Seal-for-Life bearing, 5-stud wheel and tyre assembly going to make maintenance easier?
That bearing doesn't have to be greased. If you remove the hub, you replace it, and essentially just slot the other one into the hub. There's no mucking about, no mucky hands, and it's just one simple bearing across the whole trailer. So from a maintenance point of view, it's a lot less mucky, it's a lot quicker than the average taper rollers, and it's just one bearing across the whole range.
What can be done for plant operators that are concerned about gross weight capacity?
So really, we work with the customer to their specification, to their weight that they're looking to be able to tow, and with the different options of flooring and the removable sections of the ramp to make it individual, we can completely accommodate this, and that is something that's really unique to us.
What if our readers want to use a roller? Would they have to buy a completely different trailer, or how would they manage that?
It's completely modular, so parts again can be removed. One trailer fits all is a thought that we carry through this design process, and there are a number of units out there that do not allow that. So if you're looking at the strapless system, for instance, you've got a utility contract that is required to have diggers on a strapless system, quickly removable, but next week comes back in, actually we need to move a roller, haven't got a trailer to suit. With Towmate TXDP, that's not a problem. It's completely removable. So remove the bolts, remove that section of the trailer you used for the digger. There you are, ready to take your roller. And the lashing points are there regardless of whether you've got the strapless system or not.
Very much appreciate the participation. Appreciate you taking the time out to listen to us and to get insight ahead of time exclusively into this trailer that we're bringing out tomorrow officially. Now, I get you probably will have one or two more questions or things you want to ask, so you're welcome to contact the marketing team here, and they can be contacted on marketing@ate-uk.com. That's it for now. Thank you for listening. I trust that gives you something to work on, and we look forward to speaking again soon. Thank you.